Okay, this is the sound within the mic of the iPhone. The iPhone, the mic with iPhone. Let's do pop, 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 pop. The iPhone. Hopefully, you get ambient sound around. Good. All right, test the iPhone. See if we can hear this one. Then you can hear this one. This one. This one. There's a sound coming from the ZEALSOUND. The ZEALSOUND, the ZEALSOUND. Let me drop this 3 times. Go to the iPhone. One more time. Hello, hello, hello. Also, I want to switch over to Echo. Hello, 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 hello. Hello, hello, hello. RODEMICRO. RODEMICRO. Hello, hello. Here's a sound. Here's an iPhone. Sound. RODEMICRO. iPhone. This is the sound of the SARAMONIC microphone because I don't have a long enough cord for this one. SARAMONIC. Tap, tap. Phone. Tap, tap. SARAMONIC micro. This is the sound with the PGA 58. PGA 58. iPhone first. This one. iPhone. This one.